Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 27th algorithm video, and in this video we would be required to find the maximum occurring character in a string. However, if more than one character occurs the maximum number of times, then we would print a lexicographically smaller character. Okay, so for example, the string is S. We would first need to find out the frequency of each character in the string. For that purpose, I would make a dictionary for I in string, and if I is not in dictionary, then I would include that I in the dictionary and by giving it the value of 1. However, if I is present in the dictionary, then I would first get the frequency of that key, and I would then increment that frequency by 1, and then I would put that value back to the key in the dictionary. Okay, now if I print the dict string, now as you can see that O is printed one time, U is printed 2 times, T is printed 2 times, and P is printed 1 time. From this we can say that U and T are twice printed. So moving forward, now I would iterate through the dict string for alphabet, comma frequency in dict string dot items. Before making a for loop, I would make a list of elements, and this list would be blank. I also would be making a variable of maximum frequency, and I would give it a value of 0. So if frequency is greater than your maximum frequency, I would update the maximum frequency to frequency. Also, I would clear the list elements. Now why would I do that? Because in the first iteration I would get 1 as the frequency, and it would be greater than the maximum frequency, which is 0. So in the list of elements I would update O in it. However, in the next iteration the frequency that I would get, it would be 2, and it would be greater than the maximum frequency, that is 1. So I would want to clear the list of elements which had O character in it. So that is why I would write the line list elements dot clear. Afterwards I would list elements dot append alphabet. Elif, if the frequency is equal to the maximum frequency, I would also append the alphabet into the list elements. Elif, if the frequency is less than your maximum frequency, then I would just continue with the next iteration. Now as I print the list elements, you can see that we get U and T alphabets in a list of elements. Now if I had not written line number 19, what would have occurred? You see, O, U and T would have also been printed. This is wrong. O occurred only once, but we need to print out U and T only. So that is why we wrote line number 19. Now moving forward, minimum alphabet is equal to min of list of elements, and then I print minimum alphabet. As you can see, between U and T, the minimum alphabet is T, so this is our answer. Now if I change the string to, say for example, test sample, and I also print out the dictionary, now as you can see, T happens 2 times, E happens 2 times, S happens 2 times, A, M, P and L happens only 1 time. Okay, so the list of element is T, E and S because these characters happen twice, but the minimum alphabet that we get is E. So this is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.